Discover top hygiene tips for tongue, nails, belly button, vagina, and feet care.
Bacteria and can be a huge cause for bad breath. To make sure that you're cleaning it correctly, use a soft toothbrush or the tongue scraper on the back of a toothbrush to gently scrape away at the surface and clean up any buildup. Whether you like to keep your nails short or you prefer them long so that you can flaunt some nail art, the skin under your nails can be a breeding ground for dirt and bacteria. The best way to clean them is to use a soft nail brush while in the shower or while washing your hands to wipe away all that gunk in an instant. The belly button is one of the most overlooked parts of the body when it comes to personal hygiene. But did you know that research shows there can be up to 60 types of bacteria hiding out in there? To clean it, use a Q-tip soaked in a little bit of soap and water and gently wipe it over your belly button to get rid of all the dirt. Then you can go over it with a wet washcloth. Your vagina is one of the more personal regions when it comes to talking about personal hygiene, but it's definitely one that should be paid a lot of attention to. The inside is actually self-cleaning, so there's no need to get in there with soaps or washes. But make sure to wash yourself on the outside with a mild, unscented soap, especially when you have your period. It's also really important to wipe from the front to the back after using the toilet, so you always push bacteria away from your vagina and never towards it. Our feet collect so much dirt and dust from walking on the street, especially if you wear open-toe shoes. Which is why it's incredibly important not just to wash your feet, but to focus on the skin between your toes as well. If not cleaned properly, these areas might build up bacteria and they might be the reason that your feet don't exactly smell like a bed of roses. Don't forget to dry it thoroughly afterwards as well, because a little bit of excess moisture can cause infections too. So we hope that these personal hygiene tips have you feeling squeaky clean from head to toe. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glam.